Hey guys, this is Tony, and today I'm going to take a look at the MEGUIAR'S Ultimate All-Wheel Cleaner. When spraying, make sure you apply on dry wheels. Do not pre-rinse the wheels. Use in the shade, or also ensure that the wheels and the brakes are cool. Apply a generous amount, so spray a generous amount, and also let it dwell 2 to 4 minutes. Do not let the product dry on the surface itself, so you definitely want to spray off with a pressure washer following. So after spraying, you immediately see the purple being present there, and also you see some of the brown, as the instructions both mention. You'll see both colors. You definitely, this wheel hasn't been cleaned for quite some time, so you're definitely seeing the contaminants there quite present, and looks like it's doing a good job. The wheels on this particular car has never been cleaned with an actual wheel cleaner before, so you can see a lot of the purple and also the brown based on really how contaminated and dirty these wheels are. And also you see it when it's rinsed. The product is actually doing a really great job on cleaning it out, where you're seeing the true shine of these wheels. Previously, the wheels were completely filthy. And again, like I said, never been cleaned fully with a wheel cleaner before, so really liking what I'm seeing from this product. And here's the final result. These wheels look fantastic. I didn't even actually agitate these wheels with any brush or wheel woolly. I mean, this looks fantastic from the outside. You see the wheels actually shiny, it's clean. And what I did actually after this video was I used a wheel woolly and just actually cleaned the inside of the wheel a little bit more, and it came out even better in the inside of it, but the outside of it looks phenomenal. And this is definitely a great product that I truly recommend for sure for anyone. Thanks everyone for watching this short video on the MEGUIAR'S Ultimate All-Wheel Cleaner. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, where you'll see everything in terms of auto detailing on this particular channel. Well, thanks again everyone for watching this video. God bless. See you in the next one.